In 90 days, we ship Athena 2, the most powerful artificial intelligence ever built. They will call her a god, and they will be right. Up only.
Up only.
Sheldon Kane was the best engineer I ever hired.
He was my brother.
Then come finish what he started.
My brother saw something. He wanted to stop her. She's too dangerous.
Soon, Athena will know more about cancer than every doctor alive.
Are 1,000,000 lives worth all of ours?
I'm not ending the world, Nova. We're saving it.
Nova, he left this for you.
Daniel is lying. He's saving himself, not the world. The shutdown is hidden. 90 days.
What will you do?